James Dale attended a seminar on the health needs of lesbian and gay teenagers, where he was interviewed. An account of the interview was published in a local newspaper in which Dale was quoted as saying he was gay.
Dale, we do believe that homosexuality is dangerous to the Boy Scouts organization. This type of behavior can confuse the Boy Scouts and make them feel this behavior is considered legitimate. You guys are discriminating against me on the basis of my sexual orientation. I deserve to love whoever I want to love.
The Boy Scouts of America revoked former Eagle Scout and Assistant Scoutmaster James Dale's adult membership due to the organization finding that he was a homosexual and a gay rights activist. The Boy Scouts stated that the homosexual conduct was not what they wanted to instill in young people.
Does the application of New Jersey's public accommodations law violate the Boy Scouts' First Amendment right of expressive association to bar homosexuals from serving as troop leaders? Yes. In a 5-4 opinion delivered by Chief Justice William H. Rehnquist, the court held that applying New Jersey's public accommodations law to require the Boy Scouts to admit Dale violates the Boy Scouts' First Amendment right of expressive association.
According to John Stuart Mill's harm principle, Dale had never physically harmed anyone, so we do believe that the principle was not violated. The ruling allowed for a disproportionate ruling against Dale, allowing for discrimination based on sexual orientation. This did not result in any sort of harm towards the Boy Scouts organization, which is why we believe his membership was unjustly revoked.
In 1879, Connecticut passed a law stating that drugs, medical devices, and other instruments may not be used to further contraception.
Ugh, I hate this law. Women should have the right to birth control.
Exactly. Let's start a birth control clinic to get this case to the Supreme Court.
I'm in. Let's show Connecticut that this is wrong.
Hi, it's illegal.
Oh, we know.
I'm arresting you for violating Connecticut law.
This is wrong.
No, it's not.
Your Honor, this law violates a citizen's right to privacy.
Oh yeah, privacy is written all over the Constitution now that I look at it. That law is unconstitutional.
The court ruled 7-2 in favor of Griswold. The utilitarian harm principle states that if a speech or action isn't harming anyone other than the person, then it is wrong for the state or individual people to punish him. The person who is taking birth control is the only one being affected, not any other person. Therefore, utilitarians would agree with the ruling.
Bro.
You alright?
Your Honor, Mississippi is not seeking to ban all abortions. We're simply enforcing a law that reflects the state's interest in protecting unborn life after 15 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a case about protecting women's right to choose. Overturning Roe v. Wade would not only undo decades of precedent, it would take away all access to health care for millions. It's about bodily autonomy and a fundamental right.
And scene!
Thank you both. The court will now deliberate. We stand adjourned now.
The decision.
Court is now in session. We are here today to announce the decision in Dobbs v. Jackson.
Historical impact.
After consideration of the arguments presented, the court has reached a decision. We overturn Roe v. Wade. The Constitution does not confer the right to abortion. The authority to regulate abortion resets within all states.
Roe v. Wade, historical impact.